Hello everyone, in today's episode we are going to replace the stock mirrors on my 2020 Ducati Panigale V2 with Rizoma Spy R mirrors. Let's get to it. Alright, so big box of stuff. Parts from Revzilla. These Rizoma beautiful Spy R mirrors. I got one for each side. These are the tiny ones, the 57 millimeters. I didn't want them very big. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna be asking for what these are. I asked a lot of the Ducati forums. I asked Rizoma themselves, I asked Ducati themselves, and no one could give me an answer on what bar end adapters I needed for my 2020 Panigale V2. People assumed it would be the 959 or the 1299, whatever it was before, or the V4, but no one could give me an actual answer. I'm gonna tell you right now, you need the Rizoma LP200B adapters. These slide in right into here and allow you to put on your mirrors to this. LP200B, I promise you, these are them. Let's get to work.
Alright, so right off the bat, there was an issue. What I thought was going to be a normal Allen key or a Torx key was actually a 12-point triple square, something that you don't usually have in your garage. So I ran out to Home Depot real quick and they didn't have it, but thankfully Ducati Detroit was still open.
All right, after a few minutes of, not a few minutes, like a good solid hour of trying to figure out what to do to get these bar ends out, this bar end, which is ridiculously large in every matter that you could ever imagine, went to Ducati Detroit, they had the tool, popped them off, broke something, and now it's time to actually put the Rizoma mirrors on. Those bad boys.
Go ahead and open up the LP200Bs from Rizoma. There's going to be a few different spacers for your bike, so keep those safe. Now take the mirrors out of the box and you have to disassemble them to assemble them with the adapter built in. Now that the mirrors and adapters are set up, you want to slide them into your handlebars on your bike. You want to hold it still and gently screw it in. This expands the adapter that's inside the bar. For my bike, there was no need for any of the spacers that came with the LP200B kit. I kept the two black spacers that came with the mirror kit though. Now that the right side's done, let's jump to the left side. Same exact thing. Screw it in, let the expansion take place in the inside of the tube, and we're good to go.
Ian stopped by because we were waiting to go for a ride, and then we realized that this is going to be a pain in the ass. But at the same time, his new fender eliminator kit came in. Tilt-tidy kit? But this was probably one of the easiest things that I've ever done to this bike once we knew all the tools we needed. Overall time, 3 hours. Overall working time on the bike, 8 minutes. Easy, 8 minutes easy. Probably one of the coolest and cleanest things that you could do to your Ducati Panigale V2, V4, or any bike. So clean, and if you pair them with the New Rage mirror block-off kits, it transforms this bike so fucking sexy.
In fact, we have another example.
Look at that.
Look at this.
It's like only Ducatis.
Look at that, huh?
Look at that.
Little scratch. We weren't
A little,
talking
yeah.
about that.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about that one.
Yeah.
But that's it for right now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Lots more Ducati Panigale V2 content coming up. All right, go out there and ride safe.